A violin is an incredibly complicated instrument to make. This particular one, all three of them actually, were made by my late colleague Jack Fry, who was a professor here at UW Physics. This one is even autographed and dated by him, 1968. He was a very famous violin maker, and there was also a Nova documentary, which you can find on YouTube and watch, on how to make violins and all of the physics of making violins. So it's incredibly complex and curved. Pretty much wherever you look at it, it's a curved structure. I marked here in the back, but he marked with his hands here in the front or in the back soundboard where the sound post should be located. And in fact, you can see that this back soundboard is curved. This is sculpted. It's not by any means bent wood. This is actually sculpted into this shape by Jack himself. And this is the back soundboard. There is a front soundboard. That's another violin he made that comes in two pieces. This is the front soundboard. This is the back soundboard. Together, they make the body of the violin, which is basically a box amplifier. Again, the sound post goes there where Jack marked with a pencil, and I put a tiny little piece of post-it to show myself where the sound post would be on coupling mechanically the top and the bottom soundboards. This is a complete violin that he made, and I'm gonna use as a sound box or as a amplifier box that works exactly like the tuning fork box that we have already encountered. So loud, soft is this 440 hertz, so I'm gonna go quiet. And you can hear loud when I touch, soft when I don't touch, loud when I touch, it's still going, and not when I'm not touching. I can do precisely the same thing with Jack's violins. This is why I put a light piece of post-it on it, on where the sound post should be, because that's the best place for the violin to actually amplify this sound. So let me go loud, soft, loud, soft. And of course, it works on this one too, despite the fact that it's apart. Let me try it louder. Less effective on this one. Let's try on the intact one if it works. Very clearly, louder when I touch, less loud when I don't touch it. So clearly, it's very effective as an amplifier for the sound emitted by the string, which would otherwise be too low in volume for us to perceive with any loudness, because the amount of air that one string moves is very little, and so you need amplification in any string instrument. Thank you.